Hey, what's going on, guys? Lost with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we got another roasting your guys' rides. Today I got Rainey with me. Just a quick heads up, yes, we are roasting some rides, but these are all rides that have been sent in to us specifically to be roasted. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Really quick, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. Also, we're doing another giveaway. Pick up this t-shirt or hoodie. You can find that at customoffsets.com/giveaway. TIS wheels, Toyo tires, BDS suspension, Road Armor front bumper, Black Label lighting. Hell of a giveaway. Happy holidays, top to it. This one's from Tyler. He's got a 2002 Chevy TrailBlazer with a Supreme suspension, 3-inch front, 2-inch rear lift. Not squatted, he says. Running 20x10 -25 Archon off-road Lincolns in chrome with 2-inch wheel adapters and spike lugs. Trailblazer has paint match grille cross section with rock lights, custom front bumper in the works. Future plans are solid axle swap with 4-link front and rear, 5.3 swap with a turbo kit, and set it on 36-inch tires.
Just buy a Tahoe.
I think it would be cooler too.
Now there's like a Trailblazer SS.
Those are dope. I normally don't like Trailblazers. This honestly looks pretty good already. I know we're supposed to be roasting it, but like it's not terrible. It's not a terrible start. I'd get rid of that muffler.
It's hard to roast something like when you see these in Wisconsin, they're rusty as shit. You know what though? He did park next to his crew.
Oh yeah, he parked next to the homies, the trash bins. Fortunately, not much to roast here. Hopping into the next one, we got Old Red Z71. He says, roast my shit box. Threw in a before pick for y'all as well. Thanks y'all. Second rebuild coming soon. Second rebuild, why? This is the before. Oh God.
Should have left like that, dude. It's a good beater.
Nice old farm truck.
I will give you this though, for a rattle can paint job, it's not too bad.
No, those rollers look pretty good. From a distance, looks pretty good. Up close, you can definitely tell. Probably needs a nice like, oh, see, at night looks pretty decent.
This is a truck you only pull out when it's dark.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is like the go-to headlight for the guys that own the K1500s, and the full clear headlights for these are way better.
Yeah. Well, your tailgate's not matching the rest of the truck, for one. It's 50 shades of red.
Put some tint on that thing.
I would do probably like a wet sand buff clear, and that'd probably wake the rattle can job up a lot, honestly.
He's missing a lug nut.
Oh, he is missing a lug nut. What happened, bud?
Damn.
I mean, you definitely brought it quite a ways from where it was, but still some work to be done. Next up, we got Nathaniel Woods, roast my truck. Hey guys, it's my 04 Ranger Ruby. It's a 4x4 with 3-inch lift keys in front and 2-inch blocks out back. The reason it doesn't have bumper in some of pics is because I got into an accident that twisted the bumper up real bad. 285/70 R17s, 17x9 black rock wheels, LED light bar and grille because I'm not crazy about the roof mounted look. Well, that's good at least.
See, I have a hard time roasting small trucks because like they're so useful and like not a towing aspect, but like just a daily driver to haul.
Like I would drive this.
I mean, aside from like the bed liner bottom and the headlights, it's not bad.
No.
I with the topper. The topper needs to get color matched bad though.
Even if he was to like color match the front bumper and like the bottom, like you were saying.
Even
We'll go,
glass back. Did you need that?
What happened to your exhaust?
Oh, like a hose clamp on there? Like patch with a Bush light can right there.
Yeah. Overall, yeah. I like the like 17x9 look. I like the Steelies. They always look super good on the Ranger.
Just a little getter.
Yeah.
You guys gotta stop sending us good vehicles.
Yeah. Send us your nice Ranger, Nathaniel. All right. Next up, roast my truck, Roger Fuller. Oh, here we go.
This is what we're talking about.
Thank you, Roger. Let me read this real quick. I have a 2003 Ford F-150. It is a two-wheel drive lofted wolf. What? Two-wheel drive, the spindle. Oh, with the spindle lift.
Reading is hard.
Ooh, grammar's hard. You tell me you're gonna blame my reading on that? Come on now. I got it for a graduation present and got a full-time job and slowly started buying everything you see on it. I've hit a deer with it at 70 miles an hour and fixed it the best I could. It's not the greatest truck, but it's been very reliable to me. I had it fully straight piped a year ago and decided to quiet it down again with a Flowmaster.
Look at those wheels and tires, dude. Tiny. I like the zip tied on light bar cover that's probably made out of like black construction paper.
Yeah, what the hell is that? Looks like one of them like, water noodles.
I get it was a graduation present, but like, dude, your family must hate you because this is the worst F-150 they ever made.
Yeah, this is bad. This body style's bad.
Your
Those
bumper up.
mirrors.
How'd the deer fare though?
Yeah.
That's the question coming. That bumper's like fucked up like backwards. Were you going backwards?
Yeah.
Yeah, I still don't know what the is over that light bar though.
No, I still hate that chrome trim around the grill and headlights too. The bumper's still a little chooch. It's got some better wheels and tires on it now though.
Straight tooted.
Straight to, he's got a quad in the back.
Yep. Holy I think he took the cover off the light bar. Battery's got the cinched right tight.
That dent by the driver's side headlight wasn't there from the deer before, so did you hit something else?
Also those chrome fender flares, man. Ugh.
Yeah, get rid of that.
Plaster it those black or something.
Yeah.
Is that all of it? Oh no, we got more.
We got more.
Ooh.
Roger sent us a lot of photos.
God damn, do you think internet's free, dude? Chill.
Oh, he's got a video.
Oh, hell yeah. Cold start.
What the hell is that? Is that like the quad in the back of the truck?
That is terrible.
That has got to be the worst exhaust I've ever heard in my life.
That's terrible. That sounds like Nick Kinsman after a day at Taco Bell.
Oh man,
That's
no. That's really bad. Please tell me that's the quad in the bed of the truck.
All right, yeah, I mean, it's a unit.
It's something.
I mean, you got it for a present, so it's
Yeah.
hard to bash something like that because it wasn't your choice.
Stop hitting stuff. It has come a long way. You did a solid job bringing it to where it is today. But holy shit, was this thing a pile when you got it. And then you hit the deer after that, which just added to the misery. Nice work, Roger. All right, last one.
Oh!
Oh, man.
All right, stop. This isn't a rate your rides, it's a roast. How the do you roast a classic, dude? You guys make this
I
way too
really
fucking
like this thing.
I could start with the hood not aligning.
What do you
Like,
mean?
the hood does not align right there.
Are you sure that's not just like some,
No, dude. It's hard to roast something because even that hood gap, it's still clean. I mean, like...
I think a lot of people too wouldn't necessarily like the super light blue, but I actually dig it. Like the classic colors on this, like
Right, the light
solid.
blue, the light blue body, the white topper. I
Like
mean,
if you were to do the light blue in the grill and the bumper, woo, keep the two-tone, like keep the white topper, but do like that light blue in your grill and front bumper. I think that would be super sick.
I'm all for big wheels and tires like this, but I honestly, I think I do like 15-inch steelies and mud tires.
Yeah.
I'm not a huge Ford fan, but like any classic gets a soft spot for like, yup, I'll drive it.
Yeah, thing's dope. Other than that, can't really roast it. So
No.
that's what we got for you guys on today's video of semi-roasting some rides. There's some pretty actual nice rides in this episode. Obviously we don't pick these, they just kind of come in and we go from there. So shout out to everyone who was involved in today's episode. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. We'll see you guys on the next one.